ọ̀rọ̀ wọn mi kweri ebuje kavon ọ̀rẹ́ bú fọ́nrẹ́ ọ̀jí kayọ́nù wọn jí kéwọ́ ẹ̀dẹ́bù wẹ̀rọ ṣẹ́gi kú one day you will adjust with those ọ̀rọ̀ wọn mi kweri ebuje kavon ọ̀rẹ́ bú fọ́nrẹ́ wọn méjì kéwọ́ come from the Lord. Oh, when we wait, everybody come on. Everybody, oh, when we wait, I shall not leave. By the bread the Lord, oh, now everyone, I come from the Lord. Oh, miracle, what no one may fear. You oppress people. You think there is no tomorrow. You think all you have is all right. You are lying. You must obey Jesus. Or there your hope cometh from. When you fail to obey Jesus, that is down for your riches. That is down for your life.
I came from the Lord.
You forget the poor ones. Remember, say one day God will hear their cry, and when God hear their cry, He will be the one that will be just with them. God bless you, my brother. Oh,
what a fair now. Oh, say, Yamakashi, Roganel. What are you now? I was so Bojimu. All the Fena Perare. Oh, Perena de Bojimu. All the Fena Pare. Annie Lazarus. Oh, because of your boy, a man. The so call you. Hello, yes, I do.
Is well. You that think that all is well, all is not well. Except you are with Jesus, then all is well. Ọ̀rọ̀ wọn mi gbé ní o, ebújí kàbọ̀, ọ̀rẹ́ ebúfọ̀rẹ́ o, ohun ẹ̀mẹ́jì kékwé. From the Lord, evangelism, God do. Bless. How can I give you a concept? Evangelism, God power come here. You are father. How can I give you a concept? Evangelist, God sweet. How can I give you a command?